Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Hope you all are doing good, and today I'm sharing a recipe of chicken 65, and for that we have to marinate the chicken first. So let's marinate it first. So I have took boneless chicken around 3 pounds, and this is tandoori masala 1 packet, and this is 1 chicken 65 masala, like 1 packet of chicken 65 masala. Rice flour around 3 tablespoons, maida 4 tablespoons, and cornstarch 2 tablespoons, and 1 teaspoon of red food color. I have took 1 big lemon and I've squeezed the fresh lemon juice. If you have small one, take 2 to 3. I'm taking 8 to 10 garlic cloves. If you want, you can use the garlic paste as well. And then take 2 eggs and mix everything good. Add oil around 4 tablespoons and mix the oil good with all the ingredients and marinate this mixture for at least 3 to 4 hours. After 3 hours of marination, deep fry the chicken on medium flame and make sure to put the chicken one by one. And when it's done, take out on napkin and keep it aside. These are the things I'm using for tadka, which are 2 jalapeno, 1 onion, curry leaves, 1 spoon of mustard seed. And take 1 pan and put 3 spoons of oil. And then add mustard seeds around 2 to 3 pinches, and then add few curry leaves and jalapeno in julienne cut, and then stir well. Add onion and mix them well, and then add the chicken. And then toss them well. Stir well and cook for around 1 minute on high flame, and then it's ready to serve. I hope you all like this recipe, and if you have any questions, do let me know by comments below. Do subscribe my channel, and thank you so much for watching.